How you guys doing? Aaron Dunham here with Legend Realty. And today I wanted to stop by, break down a couple of things that are very important in the world of real estate. One very important word, mortgage. Now, we're gonna break down what that is, define it, as well as go through the other types of mortgages. Kind of what the things that come in and out, and the implications of what it can do for you. But before we get into all of that, don't forget to like and subscribe, my friends. So a mortgage. First, what a mortgage is. It is a lien against a property as to securing a loan that will become void upon payment of stipulated terms. Now basically, whole thing is it definitely goes against the property, but that is the full definition of what a mortgage is. It's not necessarily the loan itself, but that is the lien against the property as to where after you pay that off, now you own that property. So with that, the definition is a lot more technical than some people think, but it's very important that you understand what it is in order to begin with, because a lot of times that's how individuals lose what they call their homes, and a lot of times that's going to hurt an individual way more. Now, usually there are three types of loans that you guys definitely want to know about. That is the FHA loan, VA loan, as well as a conventional loan. Now, all three of these do different things and impact you in a different way. Now, to start off with the FHA loan, that there is a government-backed loan. So with that, you're going to be dealing with government stipulations as to fulfill those terms, is what we talked about earlier. Usually you can get into an FHA loan with a lower credit requirement, but that's where those stipulations and that's where those requirements come in. There's been a lot of times where I've dealt with FHA loans where I had to go above and beyond because it wasn't allowed, the home wasn't allowed to close without said stipulations being completed. One time I had to paint some steps on the outside of the house in order to get the house to close. But that's neither here nor there. We got it done. Now, if you're one of these individuals that's been in a situation where your credit isn't that great, you've went through some things just like we all have, this might be one thing to help you out. A lot of times people can get themselves into that home, especially if they need that change of environment to be able to, raise their kids and whatnot. But FHA loan will definitely work out for a lot of other people. It's a little bit lower credit requirements, but once again, some of those stipulations. A VA loan is a mortgage that's offered through the Department of Veteran Affairs. It's available to active and retired service personnel and their surviving spouses. So, just because you support the troops, you're not going to qualify for a VA loan. Okay, so that one is definitely popular. A lot of times with dealing with the VA loan, in my experience, there's not a lot of hiccups. There is possibly a couple of people to talk to, a couple more people to converse with in order to make sure that, you get the right one for yourself. But besides that, I haven't had too many issues in that realm. Now, a conventional loan. Now that conventional loan, that's given out through private investor or private money. In that case, you can go to some of your banks, other mortgage lenders. A lot of times what we deal with in real estate is you want to have somebody who's local, especially if you're doing a conventional loan. A lot of times there's a higher down payment in that side of it as well. And other higher credit requirements as well. So a lot of times when you're talking about being able to secure one for yourself, that one is a lot for more established individuals, higher credit scores and whatnot, maybe a bigger down payment able to pay down. So definitely these three types, it's important to know understand what can help you, and how you can be able to get the best situation for you and your family. Now, if any of this information is helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Once again, my friends, this is Aaron Dunham, aka Stunham Dunham, signing off.